Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know.
Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. I am here to show you an unboxing of a couple items that I got from Hermes in Paris for my 40th birthday. And if you haven't watched my other videos unboxing from my Paris shopping, please watch them. I will put the link down below. If you're new here in my channel, my name is Zona. I share videos regarding fashion, shopping for clothes, shoes, and especially handbags. I also share videos of my vacations, blogs, shopping blogs, and eating out with my handbags and my friends and family. So I have all that in my channel. But mainly this is a fashion channel, so I hope you subscribe, share, like my videos, and comment down below what you think so far. I picked up two items that is just so adorable, stunning, and I know I will really love. Let's start with the goodies that I got. So when I purchased the scarf at the George Felt boutique, he gave me a lot of these goodies. I guess he felt bad that he couldn't offer me the Kelly, so he showered me with all these cuties like perfume. This is really sweet and I really appreciate this. Alright, so let's start with this sleeve box with the ribbon for Hermes. Beautiful box, very luxurious. I like the ribbon and how it feels. Such an amazing box. Oh, and and to reveal, I want to show you what this is. I'm sure you could probably guess because of the box. You have an idea what it is. So it is a scarf, and let me take the paper cover out. Oh, here she is. It's a scarf. Although I didn't get the Kelly bag, at least I have it in the scarf. Here she is. Oops, I got it upside down, but yeah, it's a beautiful scarf. This is like one of their newest collection. Beautiful. The color is just very classic for Hermes, and the print with the Kelly bag is right here. So stunning. So I took home with me a Kelly scarf. Beautiful. I don't mind it. It's just really nice. I've always been wanting to get the Hermes scarf. I'm not really a scarf person, but at least I got one from Hermes now. Such a beautiful color combination with the peach and pinkish undertone and the orange color. It's just really nice. I think I'm gonna really love wearing this, and summertime is just a couple months away, so beautiful. And maybe one day I will get my Kelly bag so I could pair it with this. So that's the first one. And the second item, which I got from Faubourg Saint Honore, which is the flagship store. And to reveal, this is also from their newest collection. Charan! Not yet, not yet. Let's pull the. So it comes with a very thick, durable dust bags for each shoes, and here she is. Beautiful, really nice. This is the very first sandals for this style, the Legend sandals, wedge sandals from Hermes that they made in an Epsom leather. So this has to be very durable, and this I have this in other color as well. And so I really like these sandals. It's very comfortable and I am very glad to be the first one of the first people to get this from the flagship store in Paris. Such an amazing experience. So here it is, beautiful. I can't wait to wear them for the summer, and it's just very durable, you know. So I think this will go well with a lot of my Louis Vuitton bags as well. It's a neutral color, and somehow it looks kind of green, but then it looks gray with a brownish undertone. So it's just amazing. I love Hermes sandals. They are just one of those that stand the test of time and classic style. This is one of my favorite style from their sandals, and I just find it really sexy, and it's so comfortable to wear all day long. So anywho, I hope you enjoyed my Hermes unboxing, and I can't wait to share my next ones with you and do my whole Paris haul. So make sure you watch all of them and follow me on Instagram. My name is Zona Loves, my account there. I will be sharing when I wear the outfit and how I style them. Thank you so much for watching and sharing my unboxing with me. I hope that you will join me in my future journey and keep watching my videos. I love you and have a good day, have a good night wherever you are.